Do you believe that from simple ingredients found in the local market, we can make such golden, fragrant, and beautiful baked goods? Let's bake together in this kitchen today.
Today, I'm going to the market to buy all the ingredients for the baked goods.
First, I need to find flour for the pastry shell. Could you give me a bag of good flour to make pastry crusts? Yes, ma'am. Here is a perfect bag. Could I have some more sugar and a bottle of honey, please?
This oil makes the cake crust very soft.
Thank you. This syrup will work well.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'll take 8 fresh eggs. Thank you.
Give me some mung beans and a few lotus seeds, please.
I'll take some more cashews, sesame seeds, and melon seeds to make the kernels crunchier.
Give me some good quality sausages and shredded pork.
The filling needs a little bit of candied fruit to make it fragrant and chewy.
I'll take a small bottle of rose liquor and some pomelo perfume.
These roasted sesame seeds smell so good. They'll make a delicious filling.
Give me the mold with a traditional pattern.
Please get me some parchment paper and baking bags.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Give me a few fresh lemons.
I have all the ingredients. Let's go home and bake.
Thank you. I wish you a good morning.
I need to prepare each part carefully when I get home. Mom, I've bought all the ingredients. Look what I found.
Separating them makes baking easier.
That makes sense, Mom.
Let's start weighing the ingredients accurately.
Yes, we can do it.
The flour must be weighed accurately so the crust doesn't dry out. The flour must be weighed accurately so the crust does not dry out.
The sugar syrup is clear enough to use. Adding oil makes the pastry crust soft and shiny.
A little grapefruit blossom water will make the crust more fragrant.
Pour slowly so the flour absorbs the liquid evenly. Just mix enough, don't knead for too long. The dough is starting to become smooth.
Letting the dough rest makes the pastry crust easier to roll out.
While the dough rests, we'll make the filling.
Steam until the beans are really soft, Mum.
The beans are soft now. They'll be very smooth when ground.
Grind it very finely so the filling won't be lumpy. This creamy consistency is perfect.
Simmer on low heat so the filling doesn't burn at the bottom.
If you stir continuously, the filling will thicken slowly.
Add the oil slowly to make the filling smooth.
The grooves hold their shape, so the filling is ready. Spreading it thinly allows the filling to cool evenly.
Cutting them evenly will make the filling look nicer when mixed. That makes sense. I'll be more careful.
Now let's gather all the crunchy and fragrant filling together.
Stir gently so the nuts don't get crushed.
The aroma is starting to become more noticeable.
Just enough to make the filling fragrant, not to overpower the nutty flavor. That's right.
The mung beans will help the ingredients bind together.
If it's round, the filling is ready.
If we divide it evenly, the cakes will be uniform after molding. Round and firm fillings are easier to wrap. Cover it up so the filling doesn't dry out.
The dough is soft and pliable. I think the crust can be split.
Each portion of the crust must be the same size.
It's easier to make the cakes if the dough and filling are the same size.
The edges of the dough are thinner, so it's easier to hold the filling.
Put the filling in the center and wrap it tightly.
The seams must be tight for the pastry to look beautiful. Just a very thin layer of flour.
Place it in the center so the pattern is balanced.
Press evenly. Don't tilt the mold.
The pattern is clearly visible now.
Make each one perfectly even.
Leave space so the cakes brown evenly.
Okay, I will.
That's much better.
The oven needs to be at a stable temperature before putting the cake in.
The face wash mixture must be very smooth. Sifting it through a sieve makes the cake surface smoother.
I'm just pre-baking to help the cakes set.
The cake is just starting to set. Oh, I see it. It's looking good.
Let the cakes cool down before brushing them with egg wash.
Brush it very thinly so the color is even.
You don't need too much egg wash. Just a light touch.
Now the cakes will start to turn golden. Look, they are getting a nice color. The cake's color is getting better.
Observe the edges of the cake. Don't just look at the top.
Okay, Mom.
That's it. Be careful. The edges of the cake are evenly golden.
Cakes must be properly cooled after baking.
The bread has a beautiful color. Yes, it's perfect.
Just a little adjustment, and the cakes will be beautiful.
The cakes must be completely cool before packing them.
Writing the baking date makes it easier to keep track. That's a good idea, Mom. Thanks.
The crust is soft, the filling is fragrant, it's a success. It truly is. It's perfect.
Bring the cakes to the table. Let's all enjoy them.
Our baked goods smell so good today.
This one has the most beautiful pattern.
Grandma, try the first one.
Ah, yes, it looks delicious.
Looking at the filling, you can tell it was made with great care.
I want the piece with the seeds.
Here you go, dear.
It's so delicious, Mom.
The crust is soft and the filling is very fragrant.
Thank you, Father. Cake tastes best with tea. It certainly does, my dear.
This cake truly tastes like a family reunion.
Cut it into small pieces so everyone can have enough to eat.
Homemade cake is much more fun to eat.
Yes, it is.
So delicious. Grandpa, here's your piece.
Thank you.
Mom, you like cakes with lots of seeds. Yes, I do. Thank you, my dear.
The crust is beautifully soft today.
Just a light dip, son. It will taste better.
Grandma, try it like me. Oh, that's delicious. Thank you.
Yes, it's delicious. You know how to appreciate good food.
Did you mold this pattern yourself?
Yes, I learned it from the village elders. It represents prosperity. Press the mold evenly and then lift it straight up.
Mother, you should eat some more too.
Let's eat cake! There are still cakes left, everyone. Have some more. Oh, that's thoughtful of you, dear. Please do.
The smallest one is yours.
Yay! Eat slowly. Even delicious cake should be enjoyed slowly. Okay, thank you.
Have another piece, dear.
Oh, thank you. You're too kind.
Let's make more next time. Yes, let's.
Yes, I'll do it with you next time, Mom.
It's always so nice having meals like this at home.
And we promise to bake again next time. We had such a great time.
I remember when we used to bake this cake every year. Me too. It brings back so many memories.
It's perfect, just like old times.
This last piece is for you, Mom.
The best cake is the one shared with someone.
A family reunion is the most precious thing.
Today I told my friends about the cake Mom made.
Thank you, Mom.
Let's clean up together after we finish eating.
Yes, that's a good idea. Let's do it.
إذا عمل الجميع معاً فسيكون سريعاً.
This part will be for tomorrow morning's tea.
A batch of cookies, a truly enjoyable evening. I'll eat cake again tomorrow.
Oh, you will?
Definitely. Meals with family are what I like best.